Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can reset the trip A and trip B odometer on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So as you can see guys, in order to be able to do that, make sure to start up your car and then go here to your screen menu on your steering wheel. So once you go to your screen menu right here, I'm going to give you guys a closer look. Here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find the trip A if you're on trip A, and if you want to switch from trip A to trip B, go ahead and click on the reset button. Just give it a light click, and as you can see guys, it's changed to trip B. If you want to go back to trip A, just give it 2 other clicks and you're going to be back to trip A. So if you want to reset your trip A, all you need to do guys is give it a longer click. Just hold this reset button and then it's gonna be reset to 0 kilometers. And same thing to trip B, just switch to trip B and then give it a hold click until you see 0 kilometers right here. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.